Me and this old car are like frenemies. They tore the bumper off the car. Didn't get the results we were looking for. But we did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night.
I just don't see there being enough airflow there for that.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
Previously on This Guy's Garage. Today we're going to put together the engine that came out of my Mustang. There it is. There it was on the cover of Popular Hot Rod.
Well, try again.
Side of the board for the chassis dyno, and we will do a side-by-side comparison. I'm expecting the difference to be between 15 and 25%. I have different headers on it than it was tested with, and the intake is a different intake. I have the factory intake, so this will be a fun little thing to find out how much restrictions actually in the factory intake. All summer for this.
Yeah.
How much power do you think it's gonna make, honey? Do you have a guess?
I'm thinking. $370. $380.
That's wishful thinking. Anything over 350 would be a bonus. Well, we made it to Moncton, 5 hours away or so. We're staying in a Holiday Express tonight, and they put 4 of us in a room with 1 king-size bed. God damn you, Captain Kirk Priceline. Well, I hope this isn't a sign of the day I'm gonna have. For Christ. Let's get some duct tape on. Oh well, good enough for NASCAR, good enough for this car. Hope this isn't going to be a sign of the day. first pull, and there's enough fuel coming from this thing to feed 3 cars. Run a diagnostic on it, and cam position sensor code's coming up, so I'll isolate the cam position sensor by disconnecting the alternator, and the code will not clear. From this point, Brett is leaning towards that he thinks it's a mechanical issue, and so he asked me, he says, is there any chance that you put the cam gears on the wrong side? And I said, I'm 99% sure that I got it right. Like I said, there's a 1% chance I could be an asshole.
Oh.
Are those flat screws aluminum or steel?
Oh, I think they're steel, to be honest with you.
What would stop that screw from being a signal? Because this is the other side of the equation that's really bugging me. I've never ever had a 2-valve Mustang make my dyno freak out when it comes to RPM signal.
Yeah, and it was
all over the place. You see what I mean? Like
yes, that's
is going to be right in the path of that
signal
sensor. Okay. That one's not going to do anything. And I have a washer spacing that out right now. That one's definitely going to register. That one's not going to do anything. And look at the lug coming up here. And it's no further away or closer than those 2 cap screws are.
So them cap screws are thrown.
Those cap screws, in order... Oh, this has got trickflow? No, these are...
Trickflow, yeah.
Are they the trickflow heads?
Yeah. First.
So yeah, like I say, I have that sensor spaced out right now. I put a washer behind it while you were talking to your wife the first time.
There's only one fix for this.
If that's the problem. That's the one mechanical thing that could be causing our issues, in my mind.
So we slipped on another cam here, and code's clear. There we make a few pulls to get the air fuel mixture lined out, and we're coming up short, and I got this live stream coming up, and you know, I'm a little embarrassed because
out of airflow around 95, 96 miles an hour. Maintains airflow until about 120 miles an hour before it starts losing. If you had more airflow, your horsepower curve would continue to rise until you run out of flow.
Run that air. So that's the skinny. If you ever wanted to know how much horsepower you can make with a plastic intake from a GT Mustang, 287 is the absolute maximum horsepower that you can make. But anyways, that being said, so at this point, live stream comes up. I'm a little disappointed because I know she ain't gonna pull nowhere near 300 horsepower, but the show must go on.
We'll let the car cool down for 5-10 minutes and do one more.
All right, boys and girls, this is where the rubber meets the road. This is the pull we've been waiting for all day. So we're just going to do a pull. Put your guesses in the comments, not in the live stream chats. You got to put it in the comments because I have no way to monitor the horsepower guesses from the live stream chat because I'm on my cell phone. Auto band in. Don't forget to put your guesses in the t-shirt giveaway contest. Guess how much horsepower? Put it in the comments. Send it! Send it! Consider me sent. Send it, Big Tech, send it. Also, I think I take the time to thank Brett. He helped me overcome a few issues, and I know 9 out of 10 dyno shops would just tell you, sorry about your luck, come back when you got it fixed, hit the bricks. But Brett has always been great to work with me, and I just wanted to say thank you. Thank the father-in-law for building me an awesome engine, and we're not done with this thing, so we're gonna throw the supercharger back at it. Don't groan, honey, don't groan. We're gonna throw the supercharger back at it, and Casey at bat. Don't be afraid to give it a little pork and beans. That's my girl. That's it for this guy's garage. You can hit the subscribe button right there and leave us a thumbs up. That really helps us out a whole lot. And you can watch another video right around here because we're not done with this project yet. All right.
This guy's garage. Like and subscribe.